Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about ribbon, organizing all those stray ends, keeping it tidy. Sometimes we use a pin and that locks it in place, but then you have a pinhole through that, and some of your finer ribbons, you don't want that. Sometimes we use tape, and that can leave a mark. Best of all, think about reuse, repurpose, recycle. The nets that come with the chrysanthemums, pull those nets off. Save them because they're perfect. Cut them down. Each net can easily do 3 or even 4 bolts of ribbon. Then with your ribbons, just take that net and slide it right onto the bolt. You can still see the color. It doesn't conceal, and it keeps it all wrapped without any fear of damage, especially with some of the finer ribbons that can be a little bit expensive. This is a great way to keep them organized, fabulous, see the color, and use something you already have.